Kendall's trying on Mama's new boots for Christmas.
Oh, is there stuffing in there? Hang on.
We gotta make sure there's no stuffing in that one. Say hi.
Okay, you want help up?
Wow. Look at those sheps. You look pretty, Kendall.
Kendall, look at Mom.
Oh. Kendall, look up here. Say Merry Christmas.
Will you open up a present from Auntie KK?
Okay. She's opening up a gift. Wow. Open, she
Kendall,
says.
look at Mommy. Kendall, look up.
Say thank you.
Kendall.
Okay, we'll open it. Thank you.